Hey everyone. Uh, as we're anticipating, doubling the number of utility scale solar installations this year from about 18 to, analysts are predicting about 36 gigawatts being installed in 2024. The demand for project management and engineering and electrician and installer talent is at an all-time high. There's not enough folks existing in the market currently to be able to deploy all of the assets that we need to develop and construct this year, next year, and the year after. I know from the conversations we have with organizations, everybody's looking for someone that can hit the ground running, and obviously it's great if we can find that person. But I encourage organizations to be open-minded about bringing in folks from residential, commercial, outside the industry. We have to get more creative about workforce development to be able to meet the demands of not only our industry, but utilities and all of the energy demand that we need to help for this transition. We'd love to help if you have specific needs from a hiring perspective, or if you want to talk about strategies on how to kind of attract some of this maybe non-traditional talent. This is going to be one of the biggest pinch points for us as we continue to move through this transition of how we power the world.